Hello, I'm Miss Pryor. We're going to do a read write ink lesson today. Just a couple of tips. You need a pencil and a piece of paper. These will be for your spellings and hold a sentence. Okay, let's go. So let's do our speedy sounds first. Are you ready? Ng, v, g, f, qu, ch, sh. The sound that I'm going to introduce you, or the special friend that I'm going to introduce to you today is unk, 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 unk. And the back of the card says, I think I stink. How rude. Unk, I think I stink. Unk. Okay, going to read our green words now. Ink, pink. Ink, link. Ink, blink. Ink, wink. Ink, think. Fabulous. Let's give ourselves a 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. Going to do our nonsense words next. Now remember, these are not real words. They're alien words. Are you ready? Bloke. What a lot of nonsense. Sprink. Sprink. What a lot of nonsense. Our red words for today are I, the. Let's try that again. I, the. Our reading words today, I'm going to sound out the word, and when I move the word forwards, I want you to read the word. Are you ready? Frog. At. Cot. Brilliant. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Right, you will need to, at some point in this part of the session, pause the video as we're going to do our spellings, okay, for our special friend, unk. Now, you need to remember, we're going to Fred talk the word, then you're going to use your Fred fingers, pinch your fingers, and then write the word down. Are you ready? First word we're going to write is wink. 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 Let's pinch those fingers. Wink. Wink. Remember, when you're writing it down, underline your special friend. Off you go. Wink. 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 Remember, tick if you've got the w, if you've got the I, if you've got the unk. Well done with that one. Next one. Blink. 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 Let's pinch those fingers. Blink. Blink. Write it down. Remember, underline your special friend. Blink. Blink. Underline your special friend. Give yourself a tick for the b, tick for the u, tick for the I, tick for the unk. Well done. Last one. Pink. P-I-nk. Pink. Let's pinch those fingers. P-I-nk. Pink. Write it down. Don't forget to underline that special friend. P-I-N-K, pink. Give yourself a tick for the P, tick for the I, tick for the nk. Brilliant. That's the part of the spelling we've finished now. We're going to go on and do our hold a sentence. Now remember, when we're doing our hold a sentence, you will need to pause the video at this point, but remember we need a capital letter, clear finger spaces and a full stop at the end. Okay. First sentence I want you to write is, I see the dog wink. I'll repeat that for you. I see the dog wink. Remember to underline any special friends. I see the dog wink. Write it down. Okay. Capital letter at the beginning. I see, and I've underlined the special friend in C. I see the dog wink. Underlined my special friend for wink and a full stop at the end. Let's have a look at the next sentence. We're doing a brilliant job, everybody. I think the cat is pink. I think the cat is pink. Remember those capital letters, finger spaces and full stops. I think the cat is pink. Off you go. Capital letter, think, and I've underlined my special friend there. I think the cat is pink with my full stop at the end. I've underlined my special friend. Well done, everybody. Now, don't forget the homework. If you go on, get your adult to go onto the Google Drive on Lordswood School, you'll be able to download and have a look at some worksheets for the nk special friend. Okay, so have a look at those for your homework. Just before we go, let's do a Hulk, because we've done a fantastic job today. Well done, everybody. Bye.